Hello, this is Corbin Klein with Carolina Training Associates. Today I'll be making a video on Festo's FluidSIM MecLab software. To open this software, hit the Start button, All Programs, and there should be a Festo Didactic folder. Under here you will see FluidSIM Pneumatics version 4.5 MecLab or version 4.2. I have various versions of it, but you may only have one version. Open up that program, and this is what you should see. Here you can see there is a hierarchy view of the component library. From here you can select various components and drag them into the program that you are making. First we need to click New, and this opens up a window where we can drag components into. I'll make a simple pneumatic circuit. For the first component we'll need a compressor, air source. You can drag that in anywhere on the screen. We will need a cylinder, an actuator. Here we have a single acting cylinder, double acting cylinder, vacuum, and sucker. I'll use a single acting cylinder, and we will need a valve to actuate that cylinder. So as you see under valves, frequently used valves, mechanically operated, there is a 3-2-way valve with a push button, and as you see, as I highlight over a component, it will give me a description of it. So we'll want that valve. Drag that over, and from here you should see port 1, which is going to be connected to our air supply, and you can see this triangle symbol on port 3, which is your vent. So all we will need is connect air to 1, and 2 is our output air, which will connect to the cylinder. Now connecting up components can be, as you see, there's a target. As I highlight over the circle indicating a connection pin, the target symbol indicates that you can create a connection at this point. So if I click and delete this and try it again, as you see there's a green dot compared to a red dot. When you see that green dot, right click, hold, drag to the next connection that you want to make to, and you can see the target came up with another green dot indicating you can create that connection there. As you see, if I move over to the vent, which nothing should be connected to other than the vent, there is a circle with a cross through it saying stop. So you can see where you can create your connections. You can connect to that line, but there wouldn't be any reason why you would need to. But as you can see there, I can make a clean connection, and that's the correct connection that I need to make. So now this circuit is finished. Now we can simulate this circuit by clicking Start. So here is the simulation controls. We can simulate this circuit. So we can hit play or start. And now you can see there is a blue, dark blue line and a lighter blue indicating the amount of pressure. So we have high pressure here, which is being blocked right now in this position of the valve, and we have a low pressure on the output. Now you can see the little finger as you hover over the push button indicator. If you click, you can actuate, and as you see now, the blue, we have a dark blue and a dark blue indicating we have a high pressure to the cylinder, which is correct. That's how it, and you can see how the position in the valve switches over as well. Now if I release, this is a spring return, so now if we wanted to make changes to the circuit, we need to hit stop in order to add different components. From here I'm going to just show you an indication of if we wire this up wrong, and you'll see what kind of error that you'll get. And it's just showing that there's a right way of creating these circuits when you're trying to simulate them. And this way you can test them and know that they work before you actually build these circuits on the trainer.